Instagram just updated to allow users to share Reels up to 3 minutes long. Want to learn how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make Instagram Reels up to 3 minutes in length. Now let's get started. To create longer Reels on Instagram, first make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then open Instagram and tap the plus sign at the bottom. Select Reel. Tap the camera icon. Now tap Length on the left. This will open a menu with video length options. You can choose to make the length of your reel 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. 3 minutes is currently the maximum length for Reels videos. Once you've selected your video length, you can go ahead and record your reel or upload clips from your device. Edit your reel how you'd like. Then move on to the posting stage. Add a caption and configure your publishing settings. Then tap Share to post your reel. That's all it takes to create Reels up to 3 minutes long. We hope this will expand more in the future with even longer length options. For more tips and tricks for editing Reels, check out our Beginner's Guide to Reels next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.